Lagi mo, ulag na siya.
Sige na. Play na. Ibog lang to, hay.
Wait lang, good. Calm down. Ayan na. Ayan na siya, oh.
Scrolling through my cell phone for the 20th time today. I'm reading the text you sent me again. I'm gonna write it anyway. This afternoon in December, it reminded you of the day when we bumped into each other. But you didn't say hi 'cause I looked away. And maybe that was the biggest mistake of my life. And maybe I haven't moved on since that night. 'Cause it's 12:51 and I thought my feelings were gone. But I'm lying on my bed, thinking of you again. And the moon shines so bright, but I gotta dry your tears tonight. 'Cause we're moving on and I'm not that strong to hold on any longer. I saw you with her, didn't think you'd find another, and the world just came to a crash. I shouldn't have, I guess we're